You think you're scoring a great deal in an SUV under $20,000? Well, think again. Some of these models are money pits, plagued with mechanical failures and pricey repairs. But don't worry, we've got your back. We're breaking down 4 SUVs that you should avoid at all costs and giving you smarter, more reliable alternatives. Whether you need a solid family car or a dependable daily driver, this is the guide that will help you steer clear of costly mistakes. So let's jump in with the first contender. Ever bought a car that seemed perfect but turned out to be a costly nightmare? The Buick Encore, particularly models from 2012 to 2022, can lure you with its sleek design and compact size. But here's the thing, beneath the hood lies the problematic 1.4 EcoTech turbo engine, notorious for turning excited new owners into frustrated mechanics. Owners frequently report issues like excessive oil consumption, timing chain failures, and even complete engine seizures. Imagine facing repair costs ranging from $1,500 to over $3,000, with a turbocharger alone setting you back around $1,000. It's alarming that what seems like a minor repair could escalate into a full-blown financial crisis. Now, imagine spending $15,000 on the Encore, only to face repair bills totaling an additional $5,000. It's an investment that simply doesn't add up. With surprises like these under the hood, the real cost of the Encore may leave you gasping. The Mazda CX-5 stands out as a much better option with impressive specs like a 2.5-liter engine, delivering 187 horsepower and 186 pound-per-feet of torque. This power translates into smoother acceleration and better performance compared to the Encore's 1.4-liter engine with 155 horsepower. More power means improved highway emerging and overtaking without struggle. Additionally, the Mazda CX-5 is renowned for its reliability with fewer mechanical issues over time. This durability means less frequent trips to the mechanic, saving you time and money in the long run. Would you rather drive a sluggish SUV that struggles on highways or one that responds instantly? The choice seems crystal clear with the CX-5 giving you that edge. Now, do you think an attractive price can outweigh long-term reliability? Well, let's find out. The Jeep Patriot and Compass, produced between 2006 and 2017, might charm with their rugged aesthetics and off-road promises. But don't let this image fool you. The transmission failures, particularly with a CVT, are alarmingly common. Many unsuspecting buyers report complete transmission replacements costing between $1,500 and $3,500. And that's not all. Electrical malfunctions like dashboard lights flickering, sensors failing, and premature rust adds to the list of chronic problems. Picture the frustration of regular unexpected repairs on an investment you thought was solid. The harsh reality is, while their exterior might shout adventure, the internal issues often scream maintenance nightmare. So what kind of alternative should you consider if you're looking for dependable performance? The Honda CR-V offers a robust lineup of specs featuring a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with 193 horsepower, translating to quicker response and confident highway performance. With fuel consumption as efficient as approximately 33.6 miles per gallon, it's great for daily drives and road trips. A top speed of approximately 124 miles per hour and an acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 10 seconds ensure enjoyable driving dynamics. Its spacious interior comfortably fits 5, making it a family favorite, plus high resale value means you're not just buying a car, you're investing wisely. So skip the nightmares of Patriot or Compass ownership and consider the trusted CR-V. But our journey isn't over yet. Stay tuned and see why the next SUVs are to be avoided. Ford's Expedition, Explorer, and Excursion are equipped with a 5.4-liter 3-valve engine and are riddled with issues. The jaw-dropper, spark plug ejections that shoot out of the engine. Now that can cause irreparable damage. And when that's not enough, top it off with frequent timing chain problems with repair costs between $1,000 and $3,000, potentially leaving you stranded and frustrated. These aren't isolated incidents, but a pattern that far too many owners recognize. A ticking time bomb under the hood. So why roll the dice in such risks when more reliable counterparts exist? Take a closer look at the Chevy Blazer. The Chevrolet Blazer impresses with its dependable specs like the 2.0-liter turbo engine and the LT trim producing solid power and efficiency for all your driving needs. For those wanting even more punch, the RS trim offers a 3.6-liter V6 engine delivering 308 horsepower, ensuring a robust and smooth performance. Safety is paramount, featuring advanced systems like lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and rear cross traffic alert, providing peace of mind. The Blazer's thoughtful design integrates comfort with cutting-edge safety. Now, before committing to a risky Ford SUV, give the Blazer a consideration it deserves. And if you're thinking about a European SUV, some models may look good but come with hidden issues. The Volkswagen Tiguan may entice with deluxe design, but certain models face shocking reliability concerns. Here's what you might not expect. Timing chain tensioner failures in earlier models, which can cost from $2,000 to $10,000 in engine repairs. Additionally, frequent oil pump issues persist, pushing repair costs higher. What's the real cost behind classic elegance? Those charming design lines conceal a pattern of frequent, costly mechanical failures that could catch you off guard. So, if you need reliability and style in one SUV, this next car is probably worth your attention. The Toyota RAV4 specs impresses with a 2.5-liter engine producing 176 horsepower, giving you robust performance and excellent fuel efficiency. The RAV4 blends modern features like advanced CVT transmission, enhancing drive quality and minimizing fuel consumption. Its dependable performance paired with Toyota's legendary durability and resale value make it a standout choice. So say goodbye to the Tiguan and welcome a worry-free driving experience with a RAV4. Now you're armed with knowledge of which SUVs to avoid and which to consider, you're now set to make savvy decisions that ensure peace of mind on the road. Remember, the right vehicle is more than just transport, but rather a gateway to stress-free travel and family adventures. But why stop here? If you're intrigued by vehicles known for their unyielding reliability, there's more to discover. What's the secret to driving a car that simply won't quit on you? Dive into our next video, Top 12 Sedans That Simply Never Break Down, Most Reliable Sedans Ever, and discover the models renowned for their dependability. Don't miss out on finding a sedan that could save both time and money. Click through and continue your journey towards a worry-free driving experience. And we'll see you in our next video.